Alright peeps, so guess what? I'm back in JA. Yeah man, I don't know vibes, I'm back in JA. So just a pass Bossy D garage and see that he's doing some work. So just send me a stop by and link him up. Okay, you know, send me the back in that place. Where you going, Bossy D?
Yeah, I know.
Why me see you go out with some work, yeah man? Yeah man, me see that you go out with some work. Just giving you guys an update, because I passed the garage and see that Bossy D car is working on, so I decided to stop. Whoa, what you have an action clutch here, twin this Bossy D?
Yeah?
You see you have an action clutch here, man?
Yeah, man. 218, you know?
Okay, so yeah, do some work on the machine.
Yeah, put in
what you really do right now?
Yeah, take down the regular pressure and pressure plate, and yeah, this is a friend, you know, so I just decided to try and not do nothing, you know, so put in the cars, fun time I come up, you see it?
Yeah,
so,
the last time I spoke with you, you said you wanted the twin disc, so you know get the twin disc.
Yeah, so yeah, put in here, you know, you see me I say?
Yeah.
It's a good look.
So you say you're going to be able to put down the power now to the ground?
Yeah man, hopefully, you know, the action.
Let me take a look at it. Yeah peep, so this is an action clutch twin disc. Yeah man. So what time if you look for you now, Bossy D? 10.5 is the best time?
Yeah. That's why we can't carry it down, you know, because when we say last time we go out there, we have to turn it down because the clutch never there hold up the amount of boost to turn up on it. So me I say?
Yeah.
So the clamping force reach me, you know, and we can't play with it some more.
Oh, so the last time you was at the track, your car was racing?
Yeah. So put in this and you know, so I just go and a long time I drive the car still, so
yeah.
So I go and drive around and go and give some time for bedding and anyway. You understand?
Yeah. Twin disc not really need no working.
Yeah, but
working force.
When I know so far, I want to drive around and get some little mileage on it, you know?
Yeah. So what time you're anticipating?
Well, be honest with you, I just want to go down lower down in I-10. I not say you're right, but I just want to go down lower down
like
in
a
I-10.
10-2.
10-1 down this.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, I just saw. Last time we go up there, turn up the boost pan it, try clutch even the new when we put in, whenever they really get no seat time for bedding it, so they start slip.
Yeah.
So we have to make it turn it down back and things. So
yeah.
So put in this, so I also want to go on.
You think it have a 9s in it though?
Well, anything impossible, you know, Darren, because you know, so when you go out there, you know, it's a different ball game, you know. So I never say you're right, but to a car there, you can do it.
I think you have a 9, a high. I think you have a high 9 in this car.
Yeah. Where car there right now, can do it.
Yeah. So your engine, it's fully built?
Yeah, man, say this engine always fully built, you know. You understand? Fully built, so you can take whatever more turn up on it, like more boost.
What type of piston are you rocking?
See a Mali piston.
Mali piston.
As you drive.
The compression on that piston, you know?
And then it could be lower compression and the stock one, you understand me?
Okay. And you're rocking the earpiece. We know a long time you guys don't see the setup. Bossy D is running the Precision Turbo right here.
Yeah. As we say again, you know, so I can't do no, we're gonna big up, sponsor them. I care how small it be, appreciate it. Understand me I say? And as we say, big up Wiggy all the time, big up Abe, big up Jason Marsh, also especially Jason. You understand me I say? Legend. Wiggy, big up yourself, see you way. Big up Jamaica, see you way. Big up all of my fans in Jamaica, big up overseas, see you way. You understand?
Yeah man, good vibes, good vibes.
And next thing again, big up all the one when I like me. You understand me I say? Yeah man, you always have to big up.
You have to big up all the haters.
Yeah man, because them inspire me, you know, man, make me do more things to make them, you know, give them something more to talk about, you see me? Yeah. Because you know, so Bossy D not really come sorry, you know, I just do my thing. So whatever time you see me car go out there, you do better and better and better and better. So when I need to prove nothing for nobody, you know, we just go out there go do it and please my fans them. You see me I say?
Yeah, that is it. That is it.
So when I have fire burn up and no man, you know, and you know, and say your ribs. Because when you depend on the mama lashy thing, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand me? It's action we deal with.
Action clutch.
Yes, alright.
Yeah, people, the boss say action in deal with. Yeah, man, I'm sure the boss are going with. I'm back in the place, peeps. So I'm back in JA. And the flywheel, that's a action clutch flywheel.
Yeah, man, everything, man.
That is a landing flywheel?
Yes,
or?
man, yeah, man, everything comes.
So this flywheel comes with the...
Yeah. No, make it thing.
Okay. Yeah.
And you know, so yesterday, you know,
yeah.
so I come and link me up, you know, man, I feel big up in.
Who that there? Who?
Merrick.
Merrick?
Yeah, man.
Merrick, the other?
Yeah, man, come and link me, man. Boss, hey. Pass through, I come give Bossy D one link, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
As usual, man, you don't know, so I feel big him up, say me, I respect for that. Big up yourself, you're Merrick, no care what happen. You're a legend. Even though free boss drop out still,
yeah.
but you still come show me support same way.
Yeah.
Even though he pass and gone.
Yeah, man.
But he you know, he remember that still there and his name still a call.
One stop, you don't know,
yeah, man,
don't vibes, RRP. Yeah, man, peep. So I'm sure you are going Bossy D took down his gearbox.
Yeah,
so what speed box? This is a 5-speed box,
yeah,
right?
Man, 5-speed box. Stock gear them everything in it.
Oh, so this is stock gear in the gearbox?
Yeah, man. No fully, no stock things.
Yeah, I understand, man. So this is a stock 5-speed gearbox. Yeah, man, people. So you'll be at the next jag meet coming up, jag rivals, right?
That's the reason why I get it up and running, cause fun time I come up.
Yeah.
So in the idea now, my boss push out and say, Bossy D, you need this. So
yeah.
I have to big up.
I notice I have some weights. I have some weights on the car front. So
I'm sure you send no play thing.
This is a weight. You have one like this on the other side, right?
Alright, now I want to put one in the middle.
Oh, you need to put one in the middle.
Wiggy! See you go in here, you know. Yeah, man, cause this. Yeah, man, this is it. Oh, man, if you see happen, you know?
Yeah, man.
It's the time, you know, to put in, you know?
Yeah, man, good vibes, peeps. So, Bossy D is getting his car ready for Jag Rivals that is coming up in November. You set up another car?
Nothing big me I put tonight.
Oh, so this engine is...
Yeah, for that car, what is it?
Oh, which car?
5A, you know?
Which car are you setting up?
No, I mean, little sound.
Oh, you have another car. You have another car in our place.
Yeah.
This is your car also?
Take time set up that one here, you know?
Oh, okay.
I don't really do no badness with it. Cause you know I can't afford to race car.
Oh, so you're setting up this car for a daily?
Personal drive run, nice, AC nice, and carry my youth them go to school and
yeah.
You understand? Because you don't know say bike can't do it, because you don't know say rain and fall me here, you know?
Yeah.
So I set up this as me look a nice cruise run thing. You know, but I want it to look good.
Yeah.
So I just put in some screw it in the engine room there and sitting. You know?
Yeah, peep. So Bossy D is actually putting together another AE 100 for his daily movement. Good vibes. Good vibes.
So you don't know.
Yeah, man. Good vibes.
So the one here now?
So you're not putting a Z in this one?
No.
You can't put a ZZ automatic in
No,
one.
you want no, I can't, as I say again, I can't afford to race car. This I know I just look a cruise run.
Yeah.
This I know a warmonger.
Wait a second, hold on. Show me the warmonger.
Yeah, you understand, Kev?
Wait a second, this is a warmonger.
This is definitely troublemaker.
Troublemaker.
Yes. So, I can't afford 2 troublemaker, you understand? I can't afford 1.
Okay, so now you can really turn this into the full out race car.
So, I don't know as I say.
Oh, so you're gonna put this in the in that car over there?
Yeah, man.
This is a 5A?
Yeah, man, 5A engine.
Okay.
And Shani, I know more feet, I know. See.
Yeah, that's a good vibe.
You want gearbox in, I just
automatic.
Relax. Anyway, more I'm going to jump in it and go carry me with them to the beach or whatever view.
Yeah.
Them. You understand me? I'm saying?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah. Alright, Bossy D, I don't know vibes.
As I say again, big up my fans, them. Big up Jamaica, big up overseas.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, peeps, I'm back in the place. Not a long update. Just passing by, going to work, and saw that Bossy D was working on his car because my job is next to Bossy D's garage. So I just glanced over here and saw that he was doing some work and decided to stop. So I see that he's doing some things, putting in the action clutch and some other stuff. Getting his car ready for the drag meet that is coming up in November. I think it's the 21st to the 23rd of November. Jag Rivals. Don't know if vibes people, make sure you send a roll out to Jag Rivals. That's gonna be crazy. The last Jag Rivals race event for the year. So yeah, man, big up all of my fans them. We continue to support the channel Motorsport JA. Don't know if vibes. Peace out.
Motorsport JA.